Jury is finally seated, and witnesses have been called in the trial of Christopher Palmiter. He's charged with failing to report his stepdaughter, Madalina Cojocari, missing. It's the same charge Madalina's mother, Diana Cojocari, already pleaded guilty to. Now, WCNC Charlotte's Tradisha Woodard has been following this trial closely. Joining us live tonight, Tradisha, we heard from two witnesses today.
That's right, Colin. We heard from the bus driver who was on Madalina's route, as well as the guidance counselor from Bailey Middle School, both recalling what they remembered prior to Madalina's disappearance.
23 days went by where he didn't know the location of Madalina Cojocari.
A Mecklenburg County courtroom heating up as Christopher Palmiter's trial begins.
Where's your daughter? Where's your stepdaughter? His response? I don't know.
In opening statements, the state laying out a picture that Palmiter let more than 3 weeks go by, not knowing where Madalina was and failing to report it. Two witnesses were called to the stand, one being the bus driver who was on Madalina's route.
Well, where was her stop when you would drop her off in the afternoon? Where was she along your route?
She was the last stop.
The other, the guidance counselor, who highlighted Madalina's number of absences.
I noticed that she started to have some unexcused absences. I didn't want a pattern to develop, so to be proactive, I started to reach out.
The debate today centering around who are the legal guardians for Madalina Cojocari. The state arguing both Diana and Palmiter were legal guardians. Palmiter's defense team pushing back, saying that Palmiter was just an emergency contact and that Diana was the legal guardian. The defense highlighting the fact school enrollment forms were signed by Diana.
And emergency contact other than parent. That's going to be Christopher James Palmiter. Is that what it says?
Yes, it does.
Now, in order to sign that document, you have to be the legal parent and guardian, don't you?
You have to be one of the legal parents or guardian, yes.
Okay.
As the trial continues, it's up to a jury made up of 11 men and 1 woman to listen to the evidence as they prepare to make a decision.
You're not going to have the answer of what happened to Madalina, but you'll have one answer. And that's that the defendant is guilty of failure to report the disappearance of Madalina.
Now, other witnesses that are set to speak in this trial are members from the Cornelius Police Department and the FBI. The trial is set to continue Tuesday after the Memorial holiday. We'll be there and be sure to bring you the latest. Reporting live for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Tradisha Woodard.
All right, Tradisha, thank you. And of course, you can count on WCNC Charlotte to continue following the latest from court, especially as we pick things back up next Tuesday. You can also catch up on the years-long Madalina Cojocari saga by scanning the QR code there on the screen. You can also find our full coverage on our website and mobile app.